This lesson is on slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is an equation that tells you how a line is graphed, and it is always in this form: y equals mx plus b. M is always the slope. So whatever you find the slope to be, it's going to be m. M is always multiplied by x. B stands for the y-intercept. Y-intercept is going to be 0, comma, whatever number crosses the y-axis. So the y-intercept is where that line crosses the y-axis. So on a coordinate plane, you've got the x-axis here and the y-axis here. If you have a line drawn like this, at this point right here, where the line crosses the y-axis, that is the y-intercept. So first, we're just going to identify the slope and the y-intercept when looking at an equation. So remember the form: y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, b stands for the y-intercept. So now we need to look at our equation that's written here: y equals 2/3 x minus 4. M is being multiplied by the x, so we need to look at the number that's being multiplied by the x. In this case, it's 2/3. So that means m, or the slope of the line, is 2/3. Now we need to look at b. B is the y-intercept. That is where the line crosses the y-axis. So in this case, the form is plus b, but in this case, I have a negative 4. So the y-intercept which is also b, the variable b in this equation, is negative 4. So now we're going to write an equation when we are given the slope and the y-intercept. It has to be in this form: y equals mx plus b. The slope of the line is negative 3. So instead of m, I'm going to write negative 3. M stands for the slope. I'm just putting negative 3 in instead of m. X stays where it is. The y-intercept is negative 4. So I'm going to do plus a negative 4. So now I have the equation of my line: y equals negative 3x. And I could do plus a negative 4, but that's the same thing as a minus 4. Either one of those two are correct. Now we have a line that's actually graphed on a coordinate plane, and we want to write an equation from this line. So we're still having our same form: y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. We know how to find slope, and using this graph, I'm going to do rise over run. So you can pick any 2 points on the graph. I'm just going to start from the point here at 2, and I'm going to see how much I rise. So I rise 1, 2, and I run 1 over 1. So the slope of my line is 2 over 1, or just 2. So I can start writing my equation as y equals 2x. Now I need to find the b. The b is my y-intercept. It's where the line crosses the y-axis. So first of all, the y-axis is right here, and I want to see where this line crosses it. Well, the line crosses it right here at this point. The point on the graph is negative 4. So b is equal to negative 4. So now I just need to plug that into my equation. Y equals 2x plus b, which in this case is a negative 4. So the equation for the line that is shown on the graph is y equals 2x plus a negative 4. Do these 3 practice problems on your own. The first 2, you're going to state the slope and the y-intercept. The second one, you're going to take the line that's given on the graph and write an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b.